Welcome back, folks, and thanks for joining us for another episode of The Charlie Show. This week, we're going to take a look at one of the unspoken heroes of the Axe FOC system. That speed control actually has reverse voltage protection. So I'm going to take my truck, I'm going to hook it up backwards, we're going to see if we can smoke it, and if it doesn't smoke, we're going to take it out on the rocks and run it some more. So I'm looking forward to this. I have never on purpose connected the speed control backwards, so engineering told me go ahead, hook it up backwards, see what happens. So we're going to do exactly that. Alright, so here we go. This is a fully charged 3-cell. I just brought it off the charger. I got some sweet high-end jumper cables here, and then this goofy guy is my adapter. I run XT90s on my X-Max, and I use these same batteries on my crawler. It's pretty low current, so I made a real simple XT60 to XT90 adapter and covered it in some sweet electrical tape. So I'm going to plug this in, make sure everything's working before we start, because that's important to know. We got steering, we got throttle, good deal. So now comes the moment of truth. First thing I'm going to do is plug these guys into here, kind of securely. I got the red one on the red, the black one on the black. They can't touch each other. They're nice and snug in there. And now I'm going to hook this thing up backwards. Now this seems like a really bad idea. There's no trickery here. This is just looped together. The red's on red, black's on black, don't worry. And I guess here we go. Nothing happened, no smoke, no fire. I'm gonna try to turn it on, because a lot of times you can hook something up backwards and until you turn it on, everything's okay. Nothing happens, that's a good sign. And now I guess let's put it back together and see if it keeps working. This goes against pretty much everything I know about RC, so I apologize if I sound a little weird, because this is very, very strange to me. Alright, plug it in here. Ready to go, turn it back on. Moment of truth. Ha! Look at that. That's a good sign. Well, there you go. I'm going to do it again, because that's kind of cool. Let's do it one more time and see what happens. Alright, so put these guys back on here. The black one on the black. The red one on the red. Put those down. Bump the camera. And then we're going to hook it up dead backwards again. Dead backwards, dead backwards. Again, again. Keep doing it. Nothing gets warm. Let's leave it hooked up backwards. Try to turn it on again. Nothing turns on. Unplug these guys. Put the adapter, plug it in and see if it keeps working. Alright, well, there you go. It keeps working. I'm going to take it out on the rocks and make sure that it stays alive as well.